Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making baked lima beans, which is called Prebranac. You're going to need 2 pounds large lima beans, 2 large onions, 3 leeks, 3 bay leaves, 3 tablespoons vegeta, 1 tablespoon paprika, and 1 cup oil. We're going to start with cooking the beans for about 15 minutes after boiling, then rinse the water, fill it back up, and cook it until the beans are done. While the beans are cooking, we're going to start making the rest. Cut up onions in slices instead of small pieces. Cut up leeks in about 1/4-inch slices. And when you slice it, don't go too far into the green part. Your beans might turn out bitter. Add 1 cup of oil, add your sliced onions, add your sliced leeks, cook it until tender. Add 3 tablespoons vegeta, one tablespoon paprika, three bay leaves, and mix it well. After the beans are done, rinse it with the cold water. Then add all your onions and leeks mixture. And then mix it well. Make sure you taste it, see if it's salty enough. If it's not salty enough, just add a little bit more salt and mix it again. Transfer it to the baking dish. Add paprika on top of it. Preheat your oven on 390 degrees and cook it for about 30 minutes. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.